What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Grom, we are actually going to be installing new handlebars. I got the ProTaper Mini Honda ones. I got these just because I like how the new ones, they're going to be low profile, so everything is actually going to sit down. You know, I've heard things that the key, it's going to be hard to get to, but obviously you can deal with that when you got gloves on. But yeah, this should be an easy process. It looks like all you're going to have to do is take these two out. I think these are 8mm, and then you got to pop the covers off, untake that, and then basically this one you're going to have to drill because it's got a hole in it. I'll show you when I get to that point, but let's start taking this apart. Alright, so now that I got the levers off, you basically, there's a screw here and a screw there. So there's a total of 2 screws. We're going to take that off, and then we're going to continue. Alright, so another thing I forgot to mention, these Allens, I would probably say you got to be very careful with these, because if you don't, you're going to strip it. So it doesn't take that much. You just got to make sure that you get the right size, and then they will come loose. So just be careful when you're doing that, just because you don't want to strip those out, because then you got a bigger issue on your hands, and then you won't have to, and you won't be able to put your bars on. But as you can tell, I got all of them loose. So all I need to do is cut this zip tie and this zip tie, and the bars will come off, and we'll mock up the new ones. Alright, so I got the bolts out. This should just pop up. We're gonna put everything. Alright, so now the bar should just pop out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the grip and basically just move it. And there, and we have it off. So like I told you, how it has the 2 holes where it lines up. We're gonna have to make the cut on that, but let's open them up and compare them. Alright, so I got it out of the package. As you can tell, you see the difference. It actually does have, if you want it plus or if you want it minus, and you could actually cut the bar so it could be actually shorter, but as you can tell, it's pretty dead on. So just gonna mock it up. You know, as you can tell, that's what it's gonna look like. Let me see if I could. A lot better, a lot. I love how they have a sticker on there, but it's like engraved. So that's actually pretty cool. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna have one of my buddies at work, Maniac. He is actually gonna drill out the holes for me, so I could just come back and basically just put it all back together. As of right now, yes, I am using the grips that it came with, just because I'm waiting on mine to come here, because you know, with everything going on, shipping kind of sucks. Alright guys, so I'm done with work. Honestly, when I got home, I just wanted to put them on and see how they looked and everything. So here they are. I will be getting new grips, like I said. I do want to get a new cover, so I'm not sure what cover I'll get, but everything, you know, as you can tell, it's all pretty good. There's no kinks, and the only thing is to get the key in now. It's a little trickier, but I can still get it in. And yeah, honestly, I love how they look. As you can tell, they give it a low profile compared to the stock ones. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. See what you guys want me to do next. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.